What's up you guys, it's Greg here again, and there's a new trend na lumalabas and it's called the mochi skin. And ito daw yung Japanese version ng Korean glass skin. And inspired daw yon of the Japanese rice cake which is called mochi. And in this video, we will discover if that is possible and how you can do it too.
Guys, I collaborated with LUXE Organics featuring their newest range of skincare, and this is their new LUXE Organics Aqua Lock series. It consists of 3 products. First is the Hydrogel Cleanser, second is their Plump Up Hydro Serum, and the Plump Up Cream to Water Hydrator.
First thing that came to my mind guys after ko magamit yung range nila na to was the word plump. Because literally nakaka-plump talaga siya guys ng skin after using. But before we go on to my thoughts, ano bang special sa product na to?
There are 3 main ingredients: Hyaluronic Acid, Pantothenic Acid, and Ceramides.
Now, para saan ba yung tatlong yan? First, Hyaluronic Acid. Now, hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight, meaning it can retain moisture on your skin all day. Nakakatulong din yung acid na to to reduce the appearance of aging like yung mga wrinkles and fine lines. So I've mentioned hyaluronic acid on my channel for a few times because it's a great product. It's a great ingredient and I've always wanted to try it. Buti na lang we have a local brand, LUXE Organics, na naglabas ng product na ang main component niya, ang main ingredient niya is hyaluronic acid. Second is the Pantothenic Acid. Nakakapagpa-soft, nakakapagpa-smooth ito ng skin. Basically, overall skin health. And lastly, yung Ceramides. This will lock in yung moisture sa balat natin to prevent yung dryness. This ingredient din is kilala siya to rebuild your skin barrier. Madalas ko sinasadya sa mga friends ko na maghanap ng mga products na may ceramide kapag nakita ko na parang walang umi-effect sa kanila because most probably sira yung skin barrier nila. If you're like me na maraming tinatry na skincare products, minsan meron talaga mga products na hindi humihiyang, minsan nakakasira pa sila sa balat ko. So, minsan nasisira yung skin barrier natin, especially if I use a lot of active ingredients. Ceramides can help you rebuild your skin barrier. So, kung gagamitin nyo tong Aqua Lock series ng LUXE Organics, this is how you use it.
First, of course, we wash our face using this cleanser. Hindi lang halata sa camera guys, pero basa na ng tubig yung mukha ko. So, this cleanser is so gentle and so hydrating, but enough to remove excess oil and will not strip off your natural oils. Alam niyo naman guys na oily skin ako, but I can say na this cleanser is working fine on me. And this cleanser is best if you have dry or aging skin. You know, fresh. So, tapos na tayo maghilamos guys, and the next step is to tone. So, any toner po pwede naman, you may use any toner, but for now, I'll be using this aloe vera toner. Konting trivia lang guys, before you use a hyaluronic serum, it is best that you use a hydrating toner kasi hyaluronic acid will hold that moisture from the toner. O, diba? Well, sana next time maglabas na rin si LUXE Organics ng hyaluronic acid toner. Next is serum guys. Now, this is my favorite part. The serum, it gives long-lasting moisture on my skin. I would instantly get that sort of Korean glass skin, which in this case, the mochi skin. To me guys, napapansin ko when I'm using this, napabawasan yung tired look or haggard look ng mukha ko. Lalo na kapag sinundan ko siya ng hydrator nila. It's the cream to water hydrator and it literally starts as a cream, then immediately turns to water in few seconds. So lightweight siya guys and non-greasy moisturizer. Ito talaga ang non-greasy kasi nga tubig siya. Kaya nakaka-plump talaga after using, as in.
So if you guys want to try the LUXE Organics Aqua Lock series, go ahead to the nearest Watsons, and the price of this cleanser is 289 pesos. Yung serum nila is 499 pesos, and the hydrator, the cream to water hydrator is 379 pesos. May kodigo ako kasi baka magkamali ako eh. Guys, follow me and LUXE Organics on Instagram and we will repost your IG story or post about Aqua Lock series on Instagram. Just don't forget to tag or mention me and LUXE Organics. I will put the link of our Instagram accounts down in the description box, so check that out. If you guys find this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if hindi ka pa subscribe, and comment down your thoughts down the comment box. And thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys are safe, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.